Hi, today I want to share with you how to make two versions of this pop-up card. This is kind of a red banner carrying blessing messages that we put up around the house during the Chinese New Year. And in this year, the first day of the Chinese New Year is on the 25th of January. The second day falls on a Sunday. I had to design a craft project to share with brothers and sisters in church related to the Chinese New Year, and I came up with this. The message can be translated into celebrating the Lord becoming King. And inside, I made this pop-up girl, and I used quite a strong and sturdy cardstock. The image presents an idea of offering gifts to the Lord. So in here, I offered my time and my knowledge. I referenced a tutorial by the pop-up channel, and I will put the link down below. And because the cardstock that I used was quite sturdy and strong, so I closed and opened this image without any problem. But then when I switched to paper of lighter weight, I found that I couldn't close it properly. Then I realized that the problem wasn't really the weight of the paper. Actually, I got the folds the other way around. That means this should be mountain fold, valley fold, and mountain fold again. So you can see that if you can use sturdy paper, you can try it the other way around. Actually, I quite like this design because it's kind of like bowing to the Lord. But you can also say that this one is waving and hailing to the Lord. You can make two cards with A3 paper. So you can cut out two base pages and two images. But of course, you can use paper of different colors for the base page and the image. In other words, if you use A4 paper, you can either cut out two base pages, or you can cut out one base page and one image. That is to say, the base page is A5 size, and so is the image. For the base page, you fold the A5 paper longitudinally into two halves, like so. For the image, the orientation is landscape, like so. You make a fold line at the center. If you have this kind of ruler, things will be a lot easier. You just line up with the edge. Draw one line. A second one. And for the third one, you just make a mark in the middle at the center. Then line up with the centerfold. Draw one line. And draw one on the other side. Like so. Make 2 diagonal folds here and here, and also on the opposite side. For this one, the glue tab has to be a little bit lower than the third line. That means the glue tabs are like this. But if you want to make this one instead of this one, the glue tab goes up to here, like so, and you cut out this part. Since I'm gonna let them draw some images here and here as gifts or presents, I have to leave some more space down here. And the space has to be under the hands. Otherwise, it will catch on with the base page. So the extra space will be here and here. And also, if you want to draw the image proportional to a person, the hands don't have to go all the way up to here. So you can draw it like this. Ta-da! And there you have it. I hope you like my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye!